Hi, this is Vadim. In this quick tutorial, we'll go from start to finish together. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me share with you how to clean up OneDrive Cloud Sync caches on Windows 11. If you click on one cloud icon in the bottom right corner, you will see that it downloaded tons of files. Let's click Settings in OneDrive. Here's the storage problem related to OneDrive. Sync clients keep local copies of cloud files. Large, always available folders and app caches can silently consume tens of gigabytes. To solve this challenge, we need to enable OneDrive's Files on Demand and mark infrequently used folders and files as online only. This will help us free up local space without deleting any cloud copies. Let's do it quickly. In the Sync and Backup section, click on Advanced Settings, and here navigate into Files on Demand section. Click on the Free Up Disk Space, click Continue. When we click Continue, Windows opened File Explorer in OneDrive folder for this device, which is typically C, Users, your username, and then OneDrive. Based on my settings, Windows stores OneDrive files in the cloud and downloads them on as-needed basis. For example, a lot of files are stored in OneDrive documents. To see how much is local versus how much is in the cloud, right-click on the Documents folder, select Properties, and then compare Size, which represents actual size of all the files in the Documents folder, versus size on the local disk. I have 17 megabytes in the cloud versus 5.8 megabytes stored locally. And here's how OneDrive Sync works. If you navigate to the folder, you see that in my last vacation folder, you only have one image downloaded. But if you click on any image here, Windows automatically downloads the file locally and keeps storing it locally for a while. All you need to do is just double-click on the file. So here's the deal. Having OneDrive files stored in the cloud is okay, and it helps you keep disk space in check, especially when you need to compact that .vmdk file later.